Introducing Soundcore Glow Portable Bluetooth Speaker. The first portable speaker with synchronized radiant light show. Unique radiant light design. The built-in light synchronizes to the rhythm of the music to take the party vibe to the next level. PartyCast 2.0. Connect up to 100 plus Soundcore speakers for immersive sound with a synchronized light show. "30 watts of 360 degrees sound." A 2.5-inch full-range speaker combined with two bass-enhancing passive radiators delivers 30 watts of powerful 360 degrees sound. Bass Up technology. Turn on via the app to pump up the bass with our exclusive bass-enhancing technology. Customizable light show. Download the Soundcore app to choose from 5 light presets, or customize the light effects to match your style. Customizable EQ. Tailor your listening experience via the Soundcore app. IP67 Full Protection. Dive into worry-free outdoor listening with a high-level waterproof and dust-proof rating. Your music stays uninterrupted, whether at the beach, by the pool, or floating on water. 18-hour Max Playtime. This portable speaker lets you enjoy non-stop entertainment with an impressive 18-hour battery life on a single charge. Note: battery life will be reduced when light effects are turned on. Kindly check the description box below for full technical details. Thank you.